We are gonna play Guess the Shopkins today. Ozzy, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, sit here. Oh, ow. Okay. Open this. I have lots of Shopkins. So I'm gonna guess it first. Come on, I'm gonna guess.
No.
Put it in my hand.
No, me.
Come on. This feels like... I don't know. A book?
Well, good job.
Wow. Okay, your turn. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Guess it. Guys, my brother just left. So I'm gonna wait for him to come here. He's back. Okay, so he will guess the Shopkin. Okay, close your eyes. Now, I'm gonna do... This is the Shopkin. Oh, this. Bubblegum.
Ako na, Rio. Baby, ako.
Don't look at the Shopkin.
No, ako na, BBQI.
Okay, guess mo na yung Shopkins.
Bubblegum.
He's right. It's a bubble gum. Okay, my turn. Maybe he cheated. I don't know. Girl, this is a cat. Cute. Your turn. Close your eyes. Here. Huwag mo itaas dito lang sa baba.
You know, siya, guy.
It's floor! So you don't get to keep it. Your turn. Dress?
Good job.
Yeah! His turn. I'm gonna choose this.
Shoot. Bingo!
He's right! So he gets to keep it.
Gimme.
That's all for today. Bye.